afternoon, everyone. So this is the continuation of my report about Afro-Asian literature, Taiwanese literature. So Taiwanese literature is very identical to Chinese literature for the reason that we all know that although they have the same origin, I mean China, there were divisions between Chinese literature and Taiwanese literature since the if you were aware of the Chinese revolution, the Republic of China revolution that isolated these Chinese people to Taiwan. So this led to the revolution of new literary works from these people from Republic of China. So this famous author is called Sun Mao. Actually, Sun Mao in Chinese means gray hair. Sun Mao, if you're before I watched a cartoon about Sun Mao, and it showed something about the struggles of this young boy as he goes on when he was struggling to become a writer. So that's it. So Taiwanese people are not only writing poetries and anthologies in Chinese language, they're actually also writing in English, and some of them are writing in Japanese. So these are some authors that write in those languages. So art and music. Art and music of Taiwan is really identical to other East Asian countries such as China and Japan. They have also puppets, painting, wood carvings, just like any other East Asian nations. So this is the basic definition of Taiwanese literature. So it refers to the literature written by Taiwanese people. So this is the timeline. As you can see, this timeline already comprises the contemporary era because the rise of Taiwanese literature only arose during the modern era, 21st century.